Hey everybody, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and today I'm sitting down and I am going to plan in my Pocket Traveler's Notebook. It's the week of November 4th through the 10th and I'm using a kit from Shine Sticker Studio. So get out your planners and let's get our lives together. So this is how the last couple of weeks turned out. The first one was kit from Shine Sticker Studio, Halloween candy kit, and then the last week I used kind of the remnants of two Halloween kits that I had, but I think it actually turned out really cute. So first of all, I'm using this little pocket-sized notebook from Happy Scrappie that I got from my friend Anne, and I am turning it into a little weekly setup. I'm just whiting out the things that are there. It had like some little, illustrations on it, and then I kind of continue the line over to turn it into more boxes. So if you've seen the PP weeks, the print impressions weeks, I just like calling it PP weeks, then it's kind of that same setup, or at least that's how I do mine, is like a notes and then days of the week along the top, and then Saturday and Sunday together in the bottom corner. So this Stars Apple Bottom kit, I don't know if that's what it's called, but that's what I call it in my head. I had bought the pocket kit and used it a couple weeks ago. I think in September, actually. And then I got the Hobonichi Weeks kit too, because I thought I could make the kit stretch for a couple more weeks if I had more like date covers and stuff. So, the pocket kits came with a lot of deco, so I knew I could make that stretch. So I like that I had, a couple more stickers to use this for another week. So I put down the little star apple bottom and then the bottom washi. I have to warn you, I was very, very over the top in this whole planning session. Like nothing was just right. I had to put it up and move it and stick it up and stick it down and look at it and, like stand back 5 feet and say, no, that doesn't look right. I don't know what was up with me, but I just couldn't get myself to not obsess over it. So you'll see that things move several times. So I ended up putting like fall is my favorite or whatever. And then I picked some coordinating washi just from my stash. In the end, I like it, but I don't know if the pattern works. But the apple bottom washi came on the Hobonichi Weeks kit. And then these are the Hobonichi Weeks date covers. So, they're meant to go vertically, but this is obviously horizontal. So I did it differently than last week, and I put them in the corner of the day box, which I thought I would hate, but I don't. I don't hate it. So that's always a nice surprise. So that green washi is MT brand, and I got it in a kit or in like a set, not a kit, of other MT. I think it's MT. No, it's not MT. I can't remember what it is now, but they're all really pretty, like florals. I can link it below, and it was really cheap, but I really like the color of it, and it kind of went with the green in this kit really well. So that's what I chose. And now I'm just putting down the rest of those day of the week boxes. And I'm sorry, I need to change like my filming so that my head is not in the way all the time. I realize that is a consistent problem and it might gross you out to see my head for some reason, but I get it. So I put more washi down at the bottom and then you can see that I moved the apples from the bottom to the top, just because I thought it mixed it up a little and made it look a little bit more balanced. And I used the habit tracker that came in the, I think that one was from the Weeks kit. And I put that below my deco box in the corner. And I'm going to use that to track going over to feed my parents' cat. And then on the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, I moved the date boxes to opposite sides so that I could use the vertical weekend banner. because, trying to make a vertical kit work in a horizontal planner is interesting, but I don't hate it in between the days. I move it around several times, you'll see, but I end up not hating it. So that's why those boxes are, different than the rest of the week. And then for this kit, I'm using my Sarasa 0.7 pen in Mahogany. It's a gel pen, and I just love this color, you guys. I got it at Michael's. It was in where you can buy the pens individually, and I love that color pen. And then I'm using the boxes from the Hobonichi Weeks, which I really like because they're kind of smaller, which is fun because this is such a small space. That little bow banner is from the Pocket Kit, and I'm using that to mark an early out for my kids on Wednesday. So I kind of initially lay out the boxes and then go in and write my plans down. That's kind of usually how I do it, but this kit was different than, I set it up differently than how I normally do. I'm usually more of like a centering kind of things, but I didn't do that this time, so go figure. And then the check boxes that come in the Pocket Kit, I usually cut those apart because I don't use all of them. And I use the little, in this case, they're Apple icons to mark different things. Because usually I kind of run out of boxes to mark things that we have to do. So I use little icons from the banner, and then I also use to-do headers to mark things that we have to do instead of to-do lists, just because I want to use all the stickers. And then there was this really cute picture of stars, so I decided to add in another deco box because we had nothing going on Friday, like no timed appointments or anything. So I decided to put that in there because I wanted to use it. And then I used a to-do banner and a little apple to mark that my husband was off on Saturday and that my daughter had a birthday party to go to. I ended up moving that all around. And then I cut off another apple on Sunday and used that to mark something too. So now I'm using the Sarasa Mahogany, and it's like a dark red, reddish brown color, and it's like perfect for autumn Christmassy spreads, I think. I cannot recommend it highly enough. So I'm just writing in appointments, and in my little weekly setup, I just like to do pretty much timed things. Unless I'm trying to fill space, then I will sometimes write in a task. But usually it's just things that have a deadline or a time associated with them. So in the Saturday box, I used a to-do banner to mark a birthday party, and as I was doing this voiceover, I realized that I didn't like the way that it looked. So I added a green strip of washi at the bottom and moved that up. So I inserted a picture at the end of what the final product looked like. Because like I said, I was extra, super extra. And that little like pumpkin spice and the Luna, that came from the fall or the October freebies from her kit. So I loved it. And it went really well in this kit. I was just trying to figure out where to put everything. And, I think this is where I decided I wanted to put in my tabs, but then I didn't like the way that the tab looked. I think you guys, the struggle was real today. So I'm just putting it back in my notebook. And I think the picture is coming up here that I inserted where I show you how I kind of fixed it. But I love my Pocket Traveler's notebook. It stays kind of in my purse, and it makes me happy. That's all I really can say about it. So here is how I fixed Saturday and made it look a little different. Thanks, guys. Bye.